Okay, let's talk about API. Back to API again. So it's API, doesn't matter what it's about. Salesforce platform, Postman, uh, IntelliJ framework where I need to send the key, right? For example, what else? JMeter, even Grafana need a key, right? Some key to how to actually to connect this application and this term for the Salesforce to the and be able to hit it from the for example from a Postman, right? This is the easiest ways to make sure that the API is installed properly. Talking about Postman here, right? So what I'm doing here, I'm actually getting token and send a request to the backdoor to this portal side. This is UI from the admin side, and this is UI from not here from the portal side. So how to be able to hit it through the IP from the back row to the backstage, I would say, right? And in this term, it's like pretty tricky things about Salesforce platforms, particularly because for most of the application, it's fine, just find the endpoint. But here it's a little bit tricky because specifically for Salesforce, you have to add some kind of app, like in app managers in the Salesforce, in the sysadmin. If you go to the admin manager, from here go to the setup, you will be go to searching for app manager, and app manager you supposed to be add some kind of application which is named, I've named it in my case Postman. This is sort of loose port to open door to back door to the applications to be able to hit it from the API side. So I put some kind of information here. Actually, even for this API end, sometimes I've tried to different things and it's actually everything is working. But just in case, you have to ask your dev or someone else to make sure that you put proper things here. So this one actually my portal side, this is testing application, and this endpoint to Salesforce. It should be something like this. And I'm opening Schlust this door to everyone, full access, not to everyone, just to have full accessibility, right? I'm not afraid to show you all of these keys, like I showed in a playwright, for example, this key, because they're gonna be changed like in a couple hours, and every refreshment, all keys gonna be changed. So that's why it's no matter to memorize them and try to put it someone else. So back to my point. So we're doing configuration for the portal to open door to be able to hit the API on my website from the backstage. So actually we pretty much see it, full access, click save. And it says you have to wait, but I'm not usually waiting anything, I'm just clicking continue. And in that case, I'm be able to click on manage consumer's details, and the key is supposed to be sent to my email, which is gonna take from my email. It's coming pretty soon, and as soon as it will come to me, I will put it here. So this is, I get notification and put it in verification code, verify. So see, I've got this customer's key, a consumer key, a secret key. So I'm gonna copy them and put, for example, in my Postman. And what else? If you're talking about Postman, I have to get put this client here, client key right here, paste. It's one place. Also, I'm running all of these things. Selenium test from the IntelliJ, and in IntelliJ also doing some kind of preparation stuff with the API. So that's why I have to update my key also in IntelliJ, particularly my branch and this environment. That's what I'm gonna do. Change here, and here this is just the provider for the client ID. And the next key is the back to the configuration, consumer secret. Consumer secret in Postman, it's named, how does it name this Postman? It's named client secret for some reason. Okay, doesn't matter. Paste. And I believe in that case should be enough to actually hit the site. I'm gonna save it, send, and I get some kind of response with the error. I don't know what's the reason. Because I haven't do little bit one more things. I haven't done it yet. I haven't finished my configuration because what I have to do here, I'm kind of should go back to configuration and to my Postman and click the button edit, I believe. So I've not memorized everything. Yeah, full access is already here, but besides this I have to do something else with the Postman, like manage, I believe. Manage edit policies. Yeah, and here I have to open the portal for all users, doesn't matter, relax, permitted users, relaxation, save. After that I will be able to hit my page. Send it again. Here you go, I get my bearer key. So the first step in the Postman is get a key, get the token, access token. So that's how it's worked in Salesforce. Maybe it's gonna work different for you sites, but doesn't matter. And next, I have to copy this key. I believe the same thing is gonna be happening for your sites also, for your web applications. And if I really want to get some kind of records from these things, I have to put it in a bearer. In my case, it's bearer key. That's how it's named. Let's see, save. It's supposed to be get my zero size because there is no such this client here yet. So now we'll put someone like, we'll try to put baby, or maybe some baby born. There is some here, nothing else. Okay, let's back to the actual application. Let's try to find someone who is there. For example, this guy. Let's try to search for Lorian, right? I'm just trying to copy this, like Lorian, and going back to the Postman. Let's put like, hopefully it's gonna be nothing because, okay, because it's prior here. So I have to put here Lorian. No, Lorian here, but the actually last name, the last name is, see, it's the last name here. Up, paste. Finally I've got some. This is the ID. So I select the records. That's what it says, select. So that's how it works. This stuff should be recognizable for you because it's a Postman feature, but the troubles is like to get this kind of token and connect it to Salesforce. Same thing I've done from the IntelliJ because I already sent this token and client key. I can hit the establish button, for example, for API establishing it. So in an establish connection, like you see, I'm doing this stuff. Same things, client key, everything, website paint oil, and as soon as I run, it should be green. Let me do it. Let me copy this key from back to the IntelliJ because I don't remember, or from the Postman, for example, because we already sent it, right? Get token. I believe we already copied client ID, client secrets. Okay, let's do for client secrets now. Right. In IntelliJ, right? Client secrets, it's here. Control V. Okay, Control Z. My bad. Back to Postman. For some reason, I haven't copied it. Copy, IntelliJ. Back to my point. Paste. This is the client secret ID and client ID. Back to this page. And I'm gonna hit the, it's right here. Just want to make sure that it works from everyone, for Postman and from, like I said, I'm not afraid to show everything because it's gonna be changed rapidly 2 times in a day. Let's make sure that this works actually. Let's run this in IntelliJ particularly this API connection run, and it should be green. It started running. I hope I put the correct client ID, secret ID, so I'll be able, I hope I should be able to hit it properly. Let's see. A little bit slow for some reason, but I've got my bear. So I've just reproduced pretty same thing what I've done in, with two steps in Postman, but in IntelliJ. Same thing where I have a preconditioned steps in Visual Studio with Playwright. So as soon as I put a proper key here, I will be able to run it also. So that's pretty much it. So one more thing, you have to install this app properly. Here in Postman in configuration, make sure that you get your token and you're pretty good to go with the Postman and with everything. Thank you.